I am getting ready for a film festival, Smiles Film Festival to be exact. A good cousin, family friend throws this festival every year in New York and Brooklyn to be exact. So it's tonight, Smiles 8th anniversary of throwing Smiles Film Festival. Shout out to E, the director, Emmanuel Ojo. So I'm getting ready for that. Let's do this. Okay, so I'm doing this hair today. This is my Sophiology inspired wig that I colored myself. She has a great tutorial for this, so I followed that tutorial to get this wig, if you were wondering. And I'm using the Kiss Almighty Bond to adhere her today. Okay, so hair is on and currently melting. So it's time to get into this face. Okay, so you guys saw I just put my illuminator on. I decided I'm just gonna do some Mehron barrier spray to start. And then finish with Nye Final Seal so that the makeup stays on. But I still remain glowy. So that is the plan. And I am going to color correct a bit underneath the eyes. Just because I feel like it today. Something different. Ooh, I haven't color corrected in so long. Look at that. Anyways, for the base, we are using Pat McGrath Labs foundation in medium 20 mixed with the Fenty Beauty Eaze Drops blurring skin tint in 16. See that base? Looks like skin, still glowy. It's a little bit, see the color corrector peeking a little bit. Obviously, I left the under eyes bare because obviously concealer is going there, but that's the foundation. I think it looks really good. Morphe contour stick. Added a little bit of white concealer in my inner corners there. And I am adding my cream blush. I've been liking a little bit of a pink concealer. So I've been liking to put my blush on before I put my concealer on. But I did not get to do that today. So I'll probably just use this blush to like tap out the concealer after I blend. Time for brows. Anastasia brow gel. Then Anastasia brow gel in dark brown. I just use a little bit of the residue in the lid. Like I just tap it in the product, put it on the lid so it's not too full of product, and then I use it to just gently give my brows some more color. Now I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape concealer in medium tan to carve out the brows. Okay, it's time for powder. I am using the Chanel powder to powder my under eyes. This was a splurge, but I really like it. And what I do is I do not use the powder puff it comes with. I use one of these triangle things from Amazon. And I tap it in the powder, take a little bit of the excess off, and then I go right underneath. And it takes the shine away. And yes, I put this all over. And look at that skin. You can see the difference. It's working. It's working. Okay, so I decided to do a smoky-ish eye, and I'm using this Colourpop palette. You see it's like mostly neutrals and a black. And so I'm gonna smoke it out a lot. And I'm actually following a Jordan Lipscombe tutorial, so you guys are not gonna see what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna come back when it's done. Okay, eyes are done, lashes are on. Yeah, I like it. It came out really cute. This is turned into a whole makeup tutorial, but I want to show you guys, so that's fine with me. Now it's time to bronze, and my Holy Grail bronzer combo is the Fenty Beauty Sunst'lkr bronzers in Caramel Cutie and Bajan Gyal. Yeah, I combine those. I'm bronzing up the face. And I always take the darker bronzer, which is Caramel Cutie. You see? Holy Grail. I am already on pan, but there's still more stuff in here, so it's going to get used. And then I take that and just bronze this like side of my bridge and my eyes where they meet. And then that's how I go into just doing a little bit of a light nose contour. Setting my cream blush with this Laura Geller blush. It also is kind of shiny, so it does a little bit of a highlight action as well. Just to finish that up on the skin. A little bit on the nose. Pretty. Then I told you guys I was gonna spray this. Nobody tells you, but that's kind of like has a minty scent, which is really interesting. And I usually like to highlight after I set my face, and I'm using the Artist Couture highlight, like loose highlighter powder in Illuminati. I like to do a little bit of the exclamation point on my nose area, and y'all see that? And I take my fan brush very lightly and then put it on the high points of the cheekbone. The girlies said they ain't highlighting anymore. That's fine. I am. And now the face is done. Just gotta get to these lips. Okay, so I'm using the Sephora Rouge Gel Lip Liner in 17 Molasses. Yes, okay. There it is. So I'm using that, and I like it because it doesn't need to be sharpened. And it's the perfect brown. I'll see that. And then I am doing like a nudie lip. So I'm gonna do the Coola Coral Reef. It's kind of like a lipstick balm color thing. It's like a pinky nude. And now I'm just gonna do a gloss on top, and I'm going to do the Fenty Beauty So this is the face. Let me get dressed. I don't even know what I'm wearing. Okay, guys, I am ready. This is the fit. I went with a strapless dress from Shein, my Gucci belt, some chains. I think these are from Amazon, AliExpress. Here's the hair and the face again. I'm wearing my Apple Watch, pretty casual, and sandals. So there we go. That is le fit. Hair straight. I don't usually wear this hair straight. I usually curl it because of the layers, but it's looking really pretty straight. So I'm happy I didn't toil that long over my outfit like I thought I would. So happy about that. Off to the film festival. See you later.